So hi everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. Today we'll be going through this chapter, that is understanding sorting, and I'll be explaining what does sorting means in general terms and what do you mean by sorting in computer terms. So I'll be explaining both of them so that you're able to correlate the computer terms with the real life one and you're able to understand much better. So in this chapter we'll be going through both these things, and we'll also be learning two techniques of performing sorting. One would be bubble sort and another one would be insertion sort. So let's just go and understand a bit more about it. So in general terms, what sorting means is it means arranging elements in a systematic way or else a given order. Okay, and in computer terms, it means arranging a series or a sequence in basically arranging a sequence and a series in ascending or in descending order. Now you would say that you have written the same and we could also just read and go through that. So now let me explain you a bit more. So in general terms, there are two ways, like let me give you an example for in general terms. When you're arranging your bookshelf, you'll be keeping the thickest book in the bottom and you'll be keeping a less thicker book on it. And likewise, you'll be arranging your bookshelf with the books. Now, another example could be while you're working in the kitchen, you arrange your utensils after washing it, right? Or vessels, you can say. So, you will be keeping the biggest vessel first and then you will be trying to arrange the smaller vessels or the smaller vessels and the biggest one into the biggest one. So that is also a sorting in general terms. Now in computer terms, suppose we are given a sequence or a series and let's take an example. Suppose if we are given a series that is suppose 2, then we are given 3, then we are given 9, 8, 7 and 6. So suppose this is a series that we have received, and now we'll be sorting it in ascending or increasing order. Okay, so as you would know before also, ascending or increasing order means small to big. So let's suppose this would be the answer for that. 2, 3, then it would be 6, then it would be 7, and then 8, and last one would be 9. Alright, all of these are separated by a comma. So I forgot to put a comma before also, so let's just do that. And here it is. Alright, so this that we got here is sorting in increasing order. Now there is another type also, that is sorting in decreasing or descending order. Now as we are familiar with the term, decreasing means we have the largest number and we are going towards the smallest one. So it would be 9, then it would be 8, then 7. I'm sorry, it keeps getting stuck a little bit. And then it's 6, then we have 3, and in last we have 2. So this series that we got in last is sorted or sorting in descending or decreasing order. Okay, so as you would have gotten a little bit idea about the same, there are multiple ways that we can apply to sort a group of elements or a group of series or a group of sequences, but in this chapter we'll be going through only two of them. One would be bubble sort and another one would be insertion sort. If you're eager to learn a bit more about those, we have a lot of online platforms. You can go through and learn different kinds of sorting techniques also, like we also have selection sort, we also have bubble sort we are going to teach you. But if you want to learn a bit more or in depth, you need to get an in-depth knowledge about the same. You can go and search it on Google, and you'll get various online platforms where you could learn about it. So again, let me just reiterate it. Like, there are multiple ways that you can apply to sort a group of elements, such as selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort, heap sort, and quick sort. But in this chapter, we would only be going through bubble sort and insertion sort. So let's meet up in the next video so that we can discuss more about bubble sort, and so that you can practice and learn more about it. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.